Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking how you want to sign in and why that matters. OAuth, Google, or GitHub saves passwords, while a local account gives direct control. Once chosen, enter a concise username, a valid email, and a strong password. These let Vjudge map your profile and accept submissions. After you click Sign Up, expect an email verification step. Complete that right away. Doing this now prevents later access issues and links your identity to contest history and rankings. Once your account is verified, you should link the online judges you use most. This enables automatic problem parsing and submission routing. Go to Profile Settings to enter your handles for Codeforces, Yuva, Spodge, or others, set your time zone and preferred language, and enable notifications so you don't miss contests. After authorizing connections, run a quick test submission on a trivial problem to confirm compilation and judging. If the test passes, your environment is configured for real contests. Finalize registration by filling optional profile fields and joining a contest or practice module to exercise the full workflow. Submit a real solution, watch it compile and be judged, and make sure your score appears on the scoreboard. This validates the end-to-end setup. If something fails, first check your verification email or spam folder. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers and clear cookies before retrying. These steps resolve most login and submission problems quickly, so you can compete without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.